Hello Year 10, here's your video on circle theorems that you'll need for your lesson on Monday. So first, let's remember a few words to do with circles. This red line here, going from one side to the other through the center, is the diameter. This blue one, from the center to the edge, is the radius. And this green one, that's outside the circle and just touches it once, is called a tangent. So circle theorem 1 that you need to remember: a tangent will always meet a radius at 90 degrees. So the angle between the blue line, the radius, and the green one, the tangent, will always be 90 degrees. So let's look at an example. If O to A is a radius and B to C is a tangent which meets the circle at point A, calculate angle X. Well, if O to A is a radius and B to C is a tangent, that must mean that this angle here is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees plus 40 degrees makes 130 degrees. And since it's a triangle, AOB, all the angles will add up to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. Roma, are you still listening? Good. So the angle I want, angle X, is 50 degrees. Okay. And the second theorem that you need to know: tangents from the same point will be equal in length where they touch the circle. So from this point here, which we can call P, the distance from P to where it touches the circle here will be the same as from P to where this tangent touches the circle here. So here's an example for that. If AB and AC are tangents to the circle, find angle ABC. And remember, we want the angle that's in the middle of those three letters, A to B to C. We want the angle here. Well, if AB and AC are tangents, then that must mean that A to B is the same length as A to C. So we have an isosceles triangle. So, again, it's a triangle. The angles have to add up to 180 degrees. 180 minus 20 gives me 160 degrees for the angle here and here. But if it's an isosceles triangle, they must be the same size. So 160 divided by 2 equals 80 degrees. So the angle I want, angle ABC here, is 80 degrees. That's not a very good 80. Okay, have a lovely weekend. I'll see you on Monday morning.